I just wanted to sit right there, I could sit there for a month straight and people wouldn't bother me. The only problem is that there's a crow's nest right there, and they're nonstop. They're trying it right now. Good enough for me, man. Okay. Now I'm gonna go put this on the picnic table. Oh, lucky could one guy be. I kissed her and she kissed me. As the fella once said, ain't that a kick in the head? The room was completely black. I hugged her and she hugged back. As the sailor said, quote, ain't that a hole in the bone? My feet spinning. I go to sleep and be grinning. Life could be beautiful. Bubbles. As long as I follow God, and that means like the natural flow of the song that I'm living inside, I find things like I ask for a red and black shirt and I get a red and black shirt, and I wanted to work at a farm. It's a red and black shirt with a farm, and I think about my hometown a lot, and it's a farm from my hometown 200 miles away. We're gonna clip that bitch.